Is it just me, or does the removal of public phones seem like a pretty stupid idea? I mean, in my opinion, I think they should have been left alone. Of course, do the maintenance on them, but leave them alone otherwise. Payphones. They're a great tool in an emergency. Say you're out in a town that gets poor cell reception and no one with a landline will help you out. So you go to a payphone, pop in a few quarters, and boom. Problem solved. But now, if you don't have your own cell phone, or if you got no cell phone reception and you don't know anyone with a landline, you're screwed. So, let's bring back the payphones. Come on, let's do it. It was stupid to get rid of them.